You'll find me in Mercury, Earth, Mars, and Jupiter, but not in Venus or Neptune. What am I? It has keys, but no locks. It has space, but no room. You can enter, but you can't go inside. What is it? What goes away as soon as you talk about it? I'm orange, I wear a green hat, and I sound like a parrot. What am I? What kind of room has no doors or windows? What two things you can never eat for breakfast? The more of this there is, the less you can see. What is it? What starts with the letter T is filled with T and ends with T. What has 4 fingers and a thumb but is not alive? Feed me and it will give me life. Give me a drink and I will die. What am I? Where can you find cities, streets, towns, and shops, but no people? There is a one-story house in which everything is red. What color are the stairs? How many months of the year have 28 days? There's only one word in the dictionary that's spelled wrong. What is it? Which word becomes shorter when you add 2 letters to it? I have a tail and a head, but no body. What am I? If you don't keep me, I'll break. What am I? It belongs to you, but your friends use it more. What is it? What has hands and a face, but can't hold anything or smile? What has to be broken before you can use it? What goes up but never comes down? I can fill a room, but I can take up no space. What am I? What's always in front of you, but cannot be seen? What gets wet the more it dries? That's all for today. See you in my next video. Bye for now.